Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report. We're going to take a look at everything in Asia that has occurred here at our MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick with the Cusick Group Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's jump in now. What is notable is that Hong Kong and China, they were closed. It was the Qingming Festival, so both those exchanges were closed. So there was no action, but you are seeing action on the Nikkei. Japan finished down about 0.9%, down 173 at 18,810. You got a notable shift here, folks. Just from a technical perspective, the bears have taken control in Japan. You clearly see that after it broke late last week on Thursday, Friday the continuation, and then the overnight action. Boom, you see it right here. We have it under the 20 and 50-day moving averages on the daily chart for the Nikkei. The bears are in control, and what has been weighing on the market is the yen. We continue to see that the yen strength over the last two sessions has really been a tall order for stocks. And then what added insult to injury was we had U.S. car sales much lower than expected. That had Honda and Toyota both down in the overnight session. Honda was down 2.7% overnight, and you had Toyota Motors in Japan down 1%. So again, you're seeing exporters with this strength in the yen currency. It's weighing on them, and it's also weighing on some of the consumer names as well. We're going to see tonight if that starts to weigh on the Chinese markets. It hasn't as of yet. As of late, you can see the Shanghai Composite's been holding up right on its 50-day moving average. Let's see if that continues into the overnight session, as well as with the Hang Seng. We're going to watch very closely how the yuan is going to be trading overnight. Also, India, though, did finish. They were closed as well. They finished last week very strong. Let's see if there's a continuation there now that we're seeing that global currencies are starting to strengthen. And also, we heard news coming out of South Korea. The interim president is basically saying that there is some credibility to the potential threat of North Korea pulling some sort of militaristic action right now. That is starting to heat up. We're going to watch that one very closely. That could add a lot of volatility to not only the peninsula, but to the Asian region. We also saw that Australia basically in line overnight. We're going to watch that currency very closely. Watch the commodity markets. Strengthening currencies globally is going to put some potential pressure on commodities like the metals and grains. Watch those areas very closely if we see global currencies start to firm up. But again, we'll watch that going into the session. All right, folks, that is it right now for the overnight action report. Taking a look at Asia. I'll be back at 8:45 Eastern time. We're going to be taking a look at all the action in Europe. See you then.